This is a 950 wheel horsepower twin turbo GT350R. He wanted a twin turbo setup, and he wanted one custom built by us. We built him a custom twin turbo kit using a set of stock factory manifolds, comp oilless and waterless turbos. On top of the custom twin turbo kit, it's also got a Motec so he can run true flex fuel. The Motec allows us to do boost by gear, different driving modes, ghost cams, and a phenomenal traction control system. We also, to make the power that he wanted on the 85, we did a 4 dual pump system. The Motec also allows us to do an integrated launch control. What that launch control in the Motec does, it actually is a driver selectable speed on when that launch control is active. Between the boost by gear, the traction control system, this thing puts power down on the street, no problem.